So in this video, I'm teaching you how to make use of this, what's the name, mobile phone lead light. This is it. I'm showing what's inside beside me, beside the video. So it contains the lead light itself. Just look at my screen. It contains this, the handle, and it contains this for holding it with phone. And what? It contains the charger. That's what's basically inside the carton. That's what's inside the carton. And what? The manual bar. So how do you make use of this? Is it. It carries a button to on it here. See it. When you on it like this, you see the light. You can change the color. You see it. Let me reduce some brighter so I can see it. Like the blackness. Face it. See it. You see. See the light. That's different things. So you can increase the light. You click on the plus icon here to increase the light. Now, if you want to set this one, this thing, you press it down and of the light so that you can even set it. Sorry, I hope you apologize. There's a clip here. See it. You press it down like this to put it aside. You put it in. See it. Then you add it on your phone. Something like this. Wait, let me show you. You add it on your phone like this. I feel like there's something like it. To what? To make your video. You see, easy. You'll be recording your video JJL. You see, let me also that I can record a video and show you. You feel like that. You see, then to beautify the face, your face, don't like it. Don't like the hey. I want to put your face like maybe your face selfie video. Don't like that. Like this. Let me bring my phone closer so I can use my phone for example. It's like that now. Pick your boys and go up there. Hey, your body's got India. What you put in your name? Hey, I take your 100. What you got to do? That's the hey, you can enter. Okay, I'm like, can you see? So that's how to use your this light. So now, how will you charge it? You off it first before you charge it so that you're not gonna spoil the battery, because on it and charging it, you'll reduce the battery durability, like how long the battery is supposed to last to. Check out. Let me use my microphone like this so that I'm not getting my phone. So that's it. Let me change the light to like white. You see? See? I have to leave where my light so you see that can go bright, can go. You see it? You see it? So now how would you charge? When you finish opening it like this, for example, let me look for my Android, my Type-C. It uses Type-C charger. This one is if you want to key it with phone. This one is if you want to key it with phone. You want to key it like you want to hook your phone back. See, let me place my phone just to show you. Oh, it's still like this, so not key it. I'm not key it with this phone. You see. So you place your phone here. Understand? You place your phone here. Let me place my phone and show you. Because I know any fancy. I feel me just hold down. Many parts of this one. I feel me hold down. Oh, there is not for the back of phone. This thing is for the back of your tripod. It's for the back of this light. So you put against tripod. For example, let me show you. See, it has a 2 clip here. 2 clips. See, also like this. See, let me show you. You see, it's for this blue one. You see, and the second is for here. Are you seeing the drag is small? Because the one that is meant to be dragged for a very long time. You see it? That's it. That's it. So maybe I'll place on the tripod. Let me take my tripod and show you. My tripod is here. This my tripod. Because when it be my, I'll place my poster in this time. How can I place that? Anything like streaming on this my other phone. So I'm going to like this thing so I can see. And when I stream for now, so because I'm currently doing live for this one. This is let me show you. I'm currently doing that, so I'll wait it for now. Because of this stuff. Okay. This is it. For example, this tripod, almost so now, this one is for the phone handle. This for the phone handle. This one, you get up to the other side tripod. So like it's now. Let me move this one. Let me move this tripod. This thing. There's a hook here. See. So this is it. Okay. See. That is the reason why that thing is here. You see, like that thing. I'm coming. See, let me put my tripod. Just look at the screen. I forgot the attitude that I did because the normal man the attitude to do that. I thought the record I want to shoot. I got the attitude to do it. See, this is now if I have to call it another to record video. Let me record the video and show you. So that is it. This is how I set it. This is after I set it out. See, I've on it. So can I turn it to my face? See, something like that. Let me. I want this video to the side. This is how to record.
Pick your points, he could not say, hey, the body's an angel. Once he posts, he go there for, hey, I did 100. You see it, something like this. You can enter, Magneto, it's just like a portable of holding it. It's using tripod. That's the reason why that angle thing is there. This angle is for tripod. You understand? It's for tripod. Let me show it inside the video as I'm recording it too.
Now I did two beside it. So it's for tripod and it's also for holding. This one is for the hand, like for phone directly. This one is for tripod. That's how to make use of what? This what's the name? This mobile phone lead light. That's how to make use of it. So let me say you're a person like coffee champagne. So that's how to make use of it. So let me go back and get that my share. So let me remove my light from the this and put it up. Share sound. So that's how to use it. So I watch the video to the side. So that's how to use the photo method. This one is not for phone, for tripod. This one is to hold your phone like we also do like this. Okay. So you can change the color. See, this button to change the color. To change the color of your this button to change the color. First button to change the color. The second one is minus to reduce the brightness. The plus is there to increase the brightness and co. So sorry, I forgot. If you want to remove it back, like you want to move this button at the back, you press it like this. Then you remove it softly. Like small. Not like this now. You press it. How you can see what I'm doing? You press it. Then you move it softly. Can you see? It's out already. Same to go to the back one. You pull in the short part. Then what? Then automatically this one is dragged already. You see it? Then you have successfully removed it. So that's how to remove it back. I put it back inside the carton. You understand? That is what basically inside the trap. Because I tried checking for how to use this thing online. I did not see anybody that make the video. So join. So that is how to make use of your mobile phone lead light.
I forgot to add, this is how to charge it. Add it to the video. You put it here, see the charging point. This is the charging point. This is the charger, type C charger. So you connect it like this. You see it. Then you plug. Let's say I want to plug to my power bank because the solar is off. So I'll put it with like this. You see it. If it's charged, it blinks. You see it. You see it. The battery is still full up. It's still full. That's why it's blinking it. So
I hope you find this video helpful. See you in my next video. Hi, I am Bolu. Don't forget to check out my playlist as usual. And what? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have a question. I'll see you in my next video. Hi, I am Bolu Vibes. Bye bye.